1, 2, 3, nice. How's it feeling?
Good.
Good. Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Really try. What's that? The harder you try, the harder it sticks. It's been a busy week, but enough of that. Didn't she look shocked? This is going to be a full set with this lovely girl called Rachel, and I'm going to tell you more inside. So just keep watching for a full set from induction right through several skits, right through to the immersion from hypnosis. Stay tuned. Yes, it really was a busy week for me, on top of seeing clients this week on Thursday, the 3rd of November. That's last Thursday. As I said in last Sunday's video, I was meeting the Small Business Saturday team. They are a wonderful bunch of people and they're touring all over the UK, and on the 3rd they were in Belfast and I went to see them and lots of other small businesses around Belfast. We started off in it's all wrapped up in Castle Court. You can see the photograph here. Next to me is Claire Loftus, and I'm going to save a bit more conversation about Claire for later on. Next is Steve and Emma, who own, we have it wrapped up, and it's a beautiful art shop with lots of art. Next to Matt, who's in the background there, Matt, part of the Small Business Saturday team. He's the gentleman I hypnotised last year and was featured in last week's video. Next to him is Catherine, who's another art supplier, and her art is out of this world. You can see a photograph of her here demonstrating how she does her beautiful artwork to Matt himself. After that event in the Castle Court, we moved over to the Banana Block in East Belfast. There's me outside the Banana Block, and inside we met more small businesses, one of which was Terry, who owns Hartley Growers. It's a beautiful gourmet mushroom shop, and there I am with Claire and Matt eating some beautiful mushroom pies. You've got to visit the Banana Block and check those out as well. Moving back to talk a bit more about Claire. Claire owns Evolve HR, and one of her team members, Rachel, was down at the event with Claire, and you can see Claire and Rachel here in this photograph. That's Claire with the sign behind her and Rachel next to her. Rachel is the lovely lady that I hypnotised on Thursday, and she was a great star. You're going to see that video now, so let's say no more. That's how my week has been. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget, click that big red subscribe button and that bell notification button next to the subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from myself. In the meantime, do check out the description section because there's lots of links to all the people I've mentioned in this video today. But let's watch Rachel in action. Tight, tight, tight. Bend your elbows like they're sitting in prayer. No. Now, in a moment, I'm going to ask you to put your fingers up like that there. What I do, I just want you to imagine tips of your fingers have very strong lines. Okay, ready? Put your fingers up. Just imagine those fingers have little lines. Notice what happens as you imagine that. The lines start to pull together, tug together, pull together, tug together, and now start to stick together. Lock, stick together, lock and stick together. As those fingers lock and stick together, just imagine now those palms, those hands are locked and sticking together. Just imagine that the palms are locked and stick together. In a moment, it's going to feel like those palms are just one piece of wood. It's like they're carved from one piece of wood. And in a moment, I'm going to ask you to try and pull those hands apart. And the harder you try, the harder those hands stick together, lock and stick together. Go ahead now and try and pull those hands apart. And notice what's happening. Those hands are locked and stuck together because you're in hypnosis already. So just close your eyes down now. And in a moment, we're going to say the word sleep. Now do your legs back and support you. And you'll go into a wonderful state of hypnosis. 1, 2, 3, and sleep now. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Maybe more relaxed, feel more relaxed, you feel it maybe go drifting, so you go down, but I want that hand down, go down even deeper still, even more relaxed. And in a moment I'm going to count from 10 down, one with every count I count, just not your unconscious mind, take you down even deeper still. 10, going deeper now, 9, even deeper still, 8, so deep, so relaxed. That's how I get to number 1, your unconscious will take you to a place that even I can take you to. So deep, so relaxed that everything I say will become wonderful to you. Perfect suggestion. So 3, even deeper down. 2, so deep, so relaxed, and 1. In a minute, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count of 3, you can open your eyes, you can go back with us. But every time I say the word sleep or deeper sleep, your eyes will close, your head will drop down to your chest, and you'll go even deeper still. Nod your head, do you understand? 1, 2, 3, your eyes. Wasn't that like? And sleep, way down, even deeper, even more relaxed. 1, 1, 2, 3. Cool. Sleep. Even more relaxed. Way down. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and this count to 3 this time. You're going to feel so comfortable, so relaxed in this position you're in now. It's like your feet are cemented to the floor, locked to the floor, stuck to the floor. It's like your feet are just parked those tiles. You will not be able to move your feet. The more you try and move those feet, the more those feet just lock and stick to the floor. Lock and stick to the floor, not to let you move. 1, 2, 3, your eyes. How's it feeling? Good. Go ahead and try and move your feet. Really try. Really try. What's that? The harder you try, the harder it sticks. Touch my hand and sleep way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and the count to 3 this time, you're going to feel so wonderful. Your feet will no longer be stuck. Just as quickly as your feet become unstuck, your name will stick to the back of your mind. Your name will stick to the back of your mind. Just as quickly as your feet become unstuck, you will not be able to say your name. And the more you try and say that name, the more that name just sticks to the back of your mind. You know what it's like when you see a girl on the TV and say, I know that name, but I just cannot say it. Cannot say it. Nod your head, do you understand? 1, 2, 3 with your eyes. Check your feet now. That wasn't too bad, and your name is? I think it's funnier and funnier, doesn't it? There's a real belly laugh now. Try and say your name. What's your name? But you can say your name when you sing it in rhyme. Sing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Rich.
And look at me, and it's gone now. What's your name?
Rachel.
It's gone. Transept. What's my hand? And sleep down. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper relax. In the moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. When we count to 3, your name will come back to you fully. Your name will come back to you fully, but just as quickly as your name comes back to you, just imagine the number 7 just disappears from your mind. The number 7 just disappears from your mind. You know how to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's how you've counted. That's how you've always counted. Nod your head that you understand. The number between 6 and 8 just disappears. You will not be able to say that number. 1, 2, 3 with your eyes. What's your name?
Rachel.
Of course it is. Tell me, put your hands up like this here. I want you to count your fingers out nice and loud. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
something went wrong there, didn't it? You got 11 fingers. Count your fingers again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
You got 11 fingers?
No.
You always have 11 fingers.
I don't know now.
Right, count this out. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. There's 5 fingers in that hand. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5.
5 is?
10.
Okay, count again. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
You 11 fingers? I thought 5 and 5 was 10. What's 1 and 1? 2 and 2?
4.
3 and 3?
6.
3 and 4?
7.
Sleep. Way down. Deeper, deeper, deeper. Relax. The deeper you go, the more relaxed you feel, the more relaxed you feel, the deeper. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5. At the count of 5, all hypnotic suggestions disappear. That number 7 will come back to you totally. The number 6 will also come back to you totally. But when you're awake, you'll feel full of life, full of invigoration, like you've had a 12-hour sleep, like a 6-hour massage, ready to take in the day. You might even feel warmer now inside in this cold day. You'll feel warmer now inside than you ever felt possible. So 1, feeling that feeling of hypnosis disappear from the tips of your toes. 2, washing up with your legs, with your stomach, with your pelvis. 3, take a deep breath in. Feel the energy washing all the way forward. 3, 4, into your head, into your 6. And 5, stretching right away. Right at back. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah.
Wasn't that fun?
Yes.
Wasn't Rachel a star? I hope you really enjoyed that. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you give it a like. And don't forget the big red subscribe button. And the bell notification button next to that subscribe button. I mentioned at the start about Matt being hypnotized last week. It was a year ago, but I released it last week. So check out this video now. You're really going to love him. It's going to come up in the end screens any second now. You'll be able to click it. So enjoy that video next. See you soon.